gotta use the controls right.
Okay.
Are you videoing for your dad? You gotta use the controls right, bud. Go this way, bud.
Right. You want to get the baby? Hey, you go get some books for me. Hey, thank you for the book. Thank you for the book.